Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Satisfactory game crash on startup or the crashing problem. Guys, I don't have the game, but trust me, I will show the solution that will definitely work for you. So first just click on that game which is the Satisfactory, then just click on the gear icon, go to your properties. Now here you will see the generals, and in the launch option just you can type the command which is minus D3D11, and once you type this command then just close it and just launch the game and your problem will be fixed 90%. And in 90% of cases your problem will be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can just close the game Satisfactory completely from your PC. Then just go to the properties again, and here in the launch option just try the minus dx11. And once you type this command then just close it and just launch your game, and your problem will be definitely fixed after this command. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.